Knowledge is power. And for every woman, whether you are a corporate, you are a businesswoman, you are an entrepreneur, a professional, a daughter, or a daughter in law, knowing your rights is the first steps to empowerment. Indian laws given the woman a very many rights and very many laws has been framed for that, but almost all of them are unknown to us. Let us discuss some of them. As per Equal Remuneration Act, you have the right and you deserve a equal pay for equal work you have done. When it comes to property, you have the right to get the same portion of property as per Hindu Succession Act, whether you are a daughter, a widow, or a daughter-in-law. Against the online harassment, cyber theft, stalking, and the digital theft, you can lodge a complaint according to IT Act and the Indian Penal Code for your safety and security. This is an empowerment. And against such cyber harassment, you can lodge a complaint as per sections 509 and 354D of Indian Penal Code. Presently, section 78 and 79 of Nyaya Samhita. Are you expecting a child? Then you have the right to take a leave with full salary up to 26 weeks as per Maternity Benefit Act. Your life comes to a new turn with the leave salary. Did you know that no woman can be arrested after 6 p.m. and before 6 a.m.? If any crime has been conducted or any heinous crime has been happened, then a woman can be arrested by a female police officer but with the special permission of a magistrate. Without that, a woman cannot be arrested within that period. Let's pledge for stand up for ourselves by knowing our right and the legal right of us which has been framed by the state for every woman. We need to support each other. Be knowledgeable, be empowered.